As a way to solve all these problems that you guys mentioned and more, we invented something called the supersonic. You've probably seen it. You might have one at home. You might have been to a salon and they used it on the hair. And this is what you guys will be tearing apart today as well. My name is Kate Kraft. I work at Dyson as a reliability engineer and I'm based out of Chicago. So today we're doing outreach and leading a workshop on the teardown of the supersonic to inspire young ladies to get into STEM. Guys, it's easier to start with the power button one because you have a little more room and kind of get practice on how to pry it off.
Identified the problems that they then want to solve, and then figuring out how our STEM resources, our science and engineering resources, can help solve those problems.
Hi, I'm Sammy. I'm from Chicago. I work at Dyson, where I manage our U.S. James Dyson Foundation. So today at Archer, we were inspiring their students to solve the problems others ignore and get excited about engineering. Hopefully that then gets them excited too to want to solve problems that they care about and that are affecting people across the world.
So it looks like air would be blowing at you. These are 3 very small screws. They are a T5 size, so you'll unscrew them and set them in your tool. Engineering is not just what you think it is. It's not just designing stuff. We do a lot of cool stuff too. We do a lot of teardowns like we did here with students. It's just to make engineering fun and not all stuffy like people tend to think it is.
I think it's really important for us to give real-world examples of what Dyson is doing so that they can understand how engineering can solve problems in the real world. So that's something I'm really passionate about and want to help with the next generation, particularly young girls and women.
Women are underrepresented in STEM fields. So I actually had a teacher in high school. Her name was Annette, and she is what inspired me to get into STEM. She was actually an engineer that decided to become a science teacher. She inspired me.
Good. Good again.